And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the best credit card for rewards. So a lot of people like to get credit cards because of the cash back, but then I like to tell people look for rewards too, because you can get $100 up front, $200 up front, and then that can be more than you probably going to get in your rewards in your first year, especially if you guys have to spend a certain amount to even get that cash back to get the reward. So I definitely wanted to make this video so that you guys can see all the different credit cards that offer rewards. Now I can't technically tell you all the different credit cards, but I do have quite a few on my website, Rickita.com, that you guys can check out. And it's so many there that offer rewards. So let's get right on into it. I don't want to waste too much time because there's so many credit cards. And I tried to do this with a cashback video and I just couldn't finish it, you guys. So I definitely want to talk about these different credit cards and don't want to feel too rushed. Now, here is a website here. Now, look, there's so many different credit cards here that offer some type of reward when you sign up for them. Now, I want you guys to try to see if you can find a credit card that can pre-qualify you. So cards that can pre-qualify you is like the Amazon can pre-qualify you, Discover, Capital One. These credit cards can actually pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So that means they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they're going to be able to give you a credit card with them. So this is the Discover It cash back credit card. So yes, they have cash back, but you guys can also get a reward. Now, they don't have like a reward like when you first sign up for it. They don't have anything like that. I do have it where you guys can get a $50 statement credit when you guys use my link. So definitely check out my link is on my website, Rickita.com. So definitely check out my link so that you guys can be able to get that $50 credit. If you guys try to get the $50 credit and it's no longer available, I am sorry, but hopefully it is still there. Now, here is the cashback credit card. Now, this is the reward that I think that you guys can get. And that reward is this. Whatever your cash back is for your first year, Discover is going to double it on your anniversary. So they're going to figure out how much money they have given you for the first year in cash back, and then they're going to double it. So that's kind of like their reward. They don't give you $100 up front, $150 up front, $200 up front. What they're saying is whatever you get in your cash back, whether it's going to be $200, $100, we're going to double it. So to me, that's like your reward. And they probably doing that just because they want you to stay up to date with your account. And when you're up to date with your account and things like that, then you're going to make it to that year. You're not going to mess up your account. And they want you to spend a lot of money with them so that you guys can even have a higher cash back, but they're going to actually double it. So definitely check out the Discover credit card because I like that they have that cash back for you all. Now that is the Discover credit card. You guys also have the Chase Freedom Flex. You guys can check this one out. This one, Chase is not going to be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, but they do have a $200 bonus plus 5% grocery store offer up to $800 total cash back. That is really nice. So you guys are going to earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months of opening your account. That is really good. Sometimes when they tell you guys you can get a bonus like this, they're probably going to want you to spend $3,000. They're only telling you to spend $500 in purchases. So whatever you will want to spend on any of your other credit cards anyway, you can just push your purchases to this credit card so you guys can get that $200 bonus. Plus, you guys are going to earn 5% cash back at grocery store purchases, excluding Target and Walmart. That sucks. But excluding those, but up to $12,000 spent in the first year, and that's $600 cash back. So if you guys spend $12,000 in groceries, you guys are going to get that 5% cash back, which is going to be $600 total. And that's up to you. You don't necessarily have to spend $12,000. But if you want the $600, then you have to spend $12,000 minimum. So that one is really nice. That's up to $800 bonus. When you guys apply for the Amazon credit card, I always see a lot of people say that they want to get a Amazon credit card and they're not always able to get it. So definitely make sure you have the best credit score that you can have. And a lot of times they have a reward, but I can't seem to find it. Redeem rewards. I thought that I'll be able to see it right away, but it seems like I don't have it where I can actually show you guys any reward that you're gonna get right away. But definitely explore their website, and hopefully you'll be able to find it better um than I will. But a lot of times they do have that reward, so check it out. Sometimes if you scroll through your app too, you'll be able to see it, and you'll be able to see like what they can offer you, because a lot of times they have it there when you scroll through your app. Now the Capital One Saving One rewards, you guys go ahead and click the apply now button. Capital One, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So I really like that they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. They also have it too where you can earn a one-time $200 bonus when you spend $500 within your first month of opening your account. So that's a $200 bonus. Again, they can pre-qualify you. They also have 0% intro APR for 15 months for on your purchases and balance transfers. So if you guys want to do a balance transfer, or you guys have purchases that you want to put on a credit card, then definitely check out this credit card. Capital One is friendly, even if you guys have like a bankruptcy, even if you burnt them in their bankruptcy, they seem to be very friendly. So try to see if they can pre-qualify you. And then Capital will have multiple credit cards. So even if you can't get this credit card, they could probably give you one of their other credit cards. So definitely check it out. And Capital One is actually good with giving you a credit increase. So again, check them out. We have the City Double Cash here. Let's go ahead and click apply now so we can actually see the reward for this credit card. So the reward for this credit card, let me say this: when you guys go and look at these different credit cards, I know I'm telling you guys like, oh, the reward is $200 or the reward is this. It's not always that. Sometimes the rewards can actually change for your different credit cards. So sometimes they may have a higher reward, and then sometimes they can just not have any type of reward when it comes out to that credit card. So I don't see that the City Double Cash card actually have a reward here, but they do have the earn twice the cash back because they got the double cash back, and then they do have the 0% APR on your balance transfers. So that is really good. So you guys are just basically going to earn that cash back. They don't have a reward, but check that because they may change that where you guys will be able to get a reward. The City Custom Cash card, you guys can check that one out. They may have a reward for that one also. The Blue Cash Preferred card with American Express, this is another one that you guys can check out, see what rewards that they have. And then also look at that annual fee too, because to me, if they have a higher reward, it's a then it may be an option for me. Like if they have a higher reward, then I'll think about getting that credit card, even if it has a higher annual fee, because they may have more cash back. Plus, with that reward, it's going to make sure that it's worth it. But again, there are so many different credit cards on here. The U.S. Bank credit card, you guys can check that out. The Discover is student Chrome credit card. Again, another US Bank credit card you guys can check out. The Tumo credit card. Tumo actually does not have a reward, so I do have to take that off of here. So I know that for sure they don't have any type of reward. They do offer cash back, and they're not going to look at your credit report at all, but they do not offer a reward. I know I need to take that off of here. Pedal One, the Discover is secure credit card. All Discover credit cards are actually going to double whatever you get in that cash back for the year. So it's going to double. So I like that, even with their secure credit cards. But check out the different credit cards here, you guys. It's so many of them here that you guys can actually check out. Now, if you guys are having a hard time getting approved for these credit cards, don't forget, join my 60 points in 60 days. I have it where you guys can watch a video. I tell you exactly what you have to do to increase your credit score at 60 points in 60 days. Definitely go ahead and check that out. Learn what you have to do, increase your credit score. And once you guys increase your credit score, you should have an easier time getting approved for credit cards. I am starting a new group because I can actually go through the process with you. One of the things is you guys have to start removing accounts from your credit reports. So that's something I'm able to help you guys with if you guys are having a hard time doing your own. I am starting a new group next month. And when I start that group, you guys, I'm actually going to review your credit reports with you about 4 to 5 times, and I'll send you a video to say, hey, this is what you have to do this time. So we're going to do multiple meetups, and we do those meetups. I want to send you a video before the meetup to say, hey, this is what you have to do to increase your credit score. This is our next step. And a lot of people have seen their credit score increase more than 60 points, and we were only halfway through. So we weren't even at our 60 days. We're still not there now. A lot of people have seen it increase, got a lot of accounts removed. So I'm really, really proud about that. But definitely go ahead and look to see if you guys can sign up for my next class. And I'll see you guys in the next video.